Hi there, everyone. I'm meteorologist Anthony J., a senior meteorologist, part of Weather Valet, and we're giving folks an update on another winter storm that's headed your way. And we're focusing on Indiana. We've got winter weather advisories in effect for just about the whole state, really. And we've got clouds moving in and some light snow forming in southeastern Illinois. It's very light at the current time. This is not a major storm, but it will mess us up tonight because we're going to see snow and falling temps. You can see the radar as of about 2:30 Eastern Time showed the snow increasing in southeastern Illinois. So some of those snowflakes will begin to move into Indiana if they haven't already. But any snow we see during the day is going to be quite light and will pick up after sunset as the weather system moves across the state. Now here's a future cast. This is the HER model, and I'll cue this up here right about now. The snow, very light initially, but as we go through time, this is going into tonight. There you can see Indiana. We are getting covered with light snow. Not a lot of dark blues here. So it's going to be a mainly light snow event. And this is tomorrow morning by right before sunset or sunrise. Tuesday, the snow is over. So this is less than 12 hours of mostly light snow. As far as the temperatures, they're hovering around or just below freezing as of right now. As we go through the night, though, you'll see by this is 10 o'clock tonight, it is in the 20s virtually everywhere. The warmest temps will be down towards the Ohio River. So if you're down near Evansville, it looks like a mix of rain and snow, maybe a touch of ice. Not a lot of snow accumulation for you that far to the south. The precipitation, generally around a quarter of an inch total. This is the HER, probably a little overdone here around Indianapolis, unless we get a heavier band that sets up. But that would be about how we max out as far as the snow totals. Here are the snow forecast, also from the HER. Not too impressive, but a couple inches, in the morning with the falling temps is going to create a layer of ice. So this can be more dangerous even than getting a big snowstorm if because we're not, getting clobbered by 2 feet of snow. But it's only 2 inches. But you can see 2, 3 inches common amounts. This is from the National Weather Service. This is closest to what we're going with. Again, not as much way to the south, but maybe up to 3, 4, about the max. So around Lafayette, you could get the most snow. Fort Wayne, a couple more inches. And Indianapolis looks like a couple inches of that snow moving in. Here's a look at some detailed forecasts. South Bend, 1 to 3 inches of snow. Indianapolis, up to 4 inches falling tonight. Fort Wayne, 1 to 2, maybe a little bit more, as the bands will probably set up more south of you. But, we don't want to split hairs here. You could go 1 to 4 inches across the whole state pretty much, except maybe way down to the south in Evansville, where the temps are a little warmer. It'll be wet at first. But if those temperatures drop enough tonight, it's going to create black ice. So it could be very treacherous, even in southern Indiana, which is why there are winter weather advisories up for the entire state. The long range forecast, here's a spot check for Indianapolis. Uh, Rest of the week, temps only 26 for the high tomorrow. So nothing's really going to melt too much. Maybe a little spike in temp Wednesday above freezing and then back below. And at night it's going to be way below freezing. So whatever falls and melts will refreeze and create dangerous conditions. Follow us here on YouTube. We're posting winter weather and storm updates now. We're brand new. And here's our Facebook page. A lot of folks following us on there. We'll be posting updates on our Facebook page as well. And if you're a business, you can find us weathervalet.com or an individual. We have our new weather app, and you can avoid costly delays, reduce your risk, and the most accurate forecasts out there available for you, especially now in the winter months. So everybody be safe out there. Have a wonderful week.